How to deactivate Instagram account without waiting a week. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how you can deactivate your Instagram account without waiting a week, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you had recently deactivated your Instagram account and then you reactivate it and it's not been even 7 days or a week, and you want to deactivate it again, well, unfortunately you can't do it no matter what you do, because this is the thing with Instagram, is that they try to make their platform as clean as possible. So they want to avoid bot, and trying to deactivate your account repetitively could count as a bot-like behavior, and that's why Instagram will not allow users to deactivate it again. You must wait at least 1 week after deactivating your account before you can deactivate it again. So there's no trick around this, there's no how-to videos, because this is the thing from Instagram, and you should not believe anybody who says they can and charge you money for it. You're only likely leading yourself to become a scam victim. So hope this video helps you understand the depth of this question. It's because we can't, so we can't, and there is no way that we can actually make it happen at all. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.